Today we will be presenting SBI's interest rate risk. State Bank of India is the largest banking and financial services company in India by revenue, assets and market capitalization. It is a state-owned corporation with its headquarters in Mumbai. It has about 13,577 outlets including 157 overseas branches and agents. Now coming to the net interest income. SBI is India's largest lender and it has reported a forecast of net profit for the fourth quarter of financial year 2012 at rupees 4,050 crores. Now net interest income has jumped more than 45% year on year to rupees 11,704 crores. Other income has also risen up by 9% year on year to rupees 5,264 crores. Now provisions. Provisions for non-performing assets fell by 13% year on year to rupees 2,837 crores. Deposits also grew up by 12% year on year as against 14% industry growth projected by RBI in financial year 2012. Capital adequacy ratio improved at 13.86% as compared to 11.98% year on year. Now let's go through the balance sheet of SBI for the past 5 years. Current liabilities of SBI are shown here. We see here that the current liabilities has constantly gone up since 2007. There was a clip in the amount of other liabilities and provisions in the year 2010 as compared to that of 2009. Now Harendra will take the remaining slides.
Thank you, Deep. I will be taking with the assets of SBI. The assets of SBI are cash and balance with RBI, balance with bank, money at call, advances, investments, gross block, accumulated depreciation, net block, capital work in progress, other assets, total assets. Here we see that in March 2010, the total asset was 10,53,413.74 and which increased to 12,23,736.20 in March 2011. In this chart we see that the overall assets has been increased from March 2010 to March 2011. Now coming down to the SBI interest rate offered. Interest rate offered by State Bank of India in various loan and deposit schemes as on 24th April 2012 is shown here. The effective interest rate for the single term deposit of rupees 15 lakh and above but less than 1 crore with effective from 24th April 2012 will be the tenures and the interest rate. The tenure for 7 days to 180 days is 8%. From 181 days to less than 1 year it is 8%. 1 year to less than 3 years is 9% and 3 years and up to 10 years is also 9%. Coming to the reinvestment plan applicable to domestic as well as NRO deposit. A standard table for maturity values of a special term deposit of rupees 100 will effective from 24th April 2012. Maturity values as per the IBA master chart and the periods in the month. Coming to the conclusion. State Bank of India's interest rate risk is considered to carry a very little interest rate risk, even though they are the largest lender in India, providing loan in various segments like home, education, automobiles, etc. Thank you.